In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom strategies or indicators on TradingView with multiple profit targets and guide you through the process of managing trades using partial closing. First things first, let's find the perfect script for your trading needs. TradingView's community scripts is a treasure trove of user-generated content. It's where traders from across the globe share their best strategies and indicators. What you're looking for is a script specifically designed to handle multiple profit targets. One popular choice you might consider is the multi-take profit script by Milvetti. This particular script is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing you to work with various profit levels within a single strategy. Once you've found a script that suits your needs, it's time to add it to your chart. Applying it is simple. Just click to integrate it with your current trading setup. By doing this, you'll enable the script's capability to generate buy and sell signals, each tied to different profit targets. These signals help automate your decision-making process, providing a visual guide to potential gains. Now let's delve into configuring your strategy settings. This step is crucial as it tailors the script to match your specific trading plan. You'll want to set the number of profit targets you're aiming for. Additionally, assign the volume you wish to allocate to each individual target. Don't forget to carefully designate the price levels associated with these targets. Adjusting these settings ensures that the script works harmoniously with your trading objectives, providing a customized and dynamic trading experience. Moving on to using partial closing for manual exits. This approach gives you greater control over your trade execution. Start by placing your trade within TradingView. As market conditions evolve and the price nears one of your predefined exit points, you can make a calculated decision to close part of your position. This is where the partial close option becomes invaluable. When you decide to partially close a trade, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is your cue to specify the number of trading units you wish to sell at the current level. It's a strategic way to lock in profits on a portion of your investment while keeping the rest riding in anticipation of further gains. Mastering the use of custom scripts with partial closing not only enhances your trading strategy, but also hones your ability to manage trades with precision and foresight. It empowers you to seize the best opportunities while minimizing potential risks. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using custom TradingView strategies with multiple profit targets and executing partial closes efficiently. Stay tuned for more trading insights and strategies in our upcoming videos.